Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I had this crazy idea for a reel. I'm gonna create a coffin. It's October, so I'm not doing a lot of Halloween sets, but I got this idea just randomly. I'll show you when it's finished. I don't know how to explain it, but you just gotta see. Okay. Oh, this is the set I did before. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it up here for you guys to check it out, or it will be in the description. Okay, so first, when you want to create 3D stuff, like get a piece of plastic, and I use like index cards. You can use anything. Just draw out your shape and then put the plastic over it and use that to put the acrylic on top of it so you can peel it off. So that's what I did. So this is going to be 3D. So I already created the base right here, and then these are like the sides to build it up. So I need to do one more of this for the lid. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I have a little bit of monomer here. I'm gonna dip it in. So I want this to be like kind of bigger than the drawing, because it's gonna be the lid of it, and yeah, I want it just a little bit bigger. So I wouldn't worry too much about the sides, because you will file it with your hand file to get it straight and crispy. Okay, so these are dry, so you just peel them off like a sticker. This is like the side. I would attach it with, I was thinking clear acrylic, but I might do the black acrylic. And these are like hinges to make the door open. I don't know how I don't know, but I thought I'd make these to test it out and see. So I'll wait for these to dry and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's dried, and these are my maggot friends. Let me not call them friends, ew, but I tried to recreate some maggots. that I'm gonna put in the coffin. And I tried doing a skull. Like I drew it, where is it? It's not working out for me. From memory, it's not working out. But this is the one that I'm gonna use. And yeah. These, I'm gonna let them chill here for a sec. Or, yeah, let me build the coffin before I do anything else. Actually, so I'm gonna have this here. Where's my black? This is my cement. Okay guys, so I'm actually starting my application because I finished the coffin. I'll show you a little snippet of what I created, but you can see the full version over on my TikTok or my Instagram. It should be out by now. But this nail set, I originally wanted it to be a stiletto shape. I think that would have looked way better than doing it with the coffin shape nail. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. It's gonna be the same design on each finger, so I'll quickly just speed through it. I will put that nude base on, and then on the tips it would be red, and then I'm gonna put some red glitter acrylic on and some like the extra glitter from Secret Nail Affair, and then I'll encapsulate off camera, which I always use Tickle Pink Ice Queen to encapsulate the nails, and I'll shape and file them, and that will be it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Hit that like, hit that share button, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.